there's a force, pattern, or rhythm causing it in the intangible section of existence. Or that what you see is best explained by what you don't see. The unseen world beyond what is observable to the untrained perceiver is known as alam mo. Alam mo is the collective of unseen existence, the collective mo of all forces living and dead. As alam madum is the collective seen existence, or the world of the living. As alam madum is the collective perceivable existence, or the world of the living that we occupy as mortal beings. In alam madum, there's an uncountable number of events, patterns, and actions that we undertake to create specific results that are easily seen and understood upon examination. And this principle applies for alam mo, as both worlds reflect and affect each other. Alam Mado is not fully understood without taking a look into the happenings and pattern in Alam Mo. Adibia signifies the ability to see into both worlds by painting a strip or ring of white around the eyes to signify full awakeness. There are individuals who are born with gifts that allow them to